Alright, so now we're on the next step of our journey of factoring, and we're doing quadratics where the leading coefficient, so this is the term of like the coefficient of the x squared, is just 1. So the main process over here is that if you have something in the form x squared plus bx plus c, where these are coefficients, we want to find two numbers that add up to this, and two numbers that also multiply to c. So let's look at the first example. We have x squared plus 25x plus 144. So we want to find two numbers that add up to 25 and multiply to 144. Well, let's see if we can make a table. So let's focus on the last part. Two numbers that multiply to 144. So we could have 1 and 144, but that would give a sum of 145, not 25. The next pair we could do is 2 and 72. That would be 74. 3, 48, sum is 51, and overall it's kind of big. So why don't we just skip down a bit? So if I do 12 and 12 down here, I get a sum of 24, which is a bit small. So we want to do almost something pretty close to it, but not completely. And we notice that 9 and 16, they multiply to 144, and they add up to 25. So this is what we want. We want 9 and 16, they add up to 25, and they multiply to 144. Now what do we do with them? Basically, it's going to factor as x plus something and then x plus something else. So these numbers are going to be 9 and 16. And that's how we factor it. For the next one, we want things that add up, multiply to 40 and sum up to negative 14. So these are going to be two negative numbers because they add up to negative 14. So right off the bat, I'm not going to make such a big table, but I can see that negative 10 and negative 4 work. So what does it become? It becomes x, instead of a plus, because it's negative, it's minus 10, and then x minus 4. And that becomes our factorization.